This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook pierogies on the stovetop using an easy method. First, bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully add your frozen pierogies, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until they float to the surface. Once they've floated, use a slotted spoon to remove them and drain them thoroughly. This initial boil ensures they are cooked through before sautéing. Now, let's prepare for the sautéing step. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. This butter will give your pierogies a wonderful golden crust. You can also add some sliced onions or bacon bits to the skillet at this point. Sauté them until the onions are translucent and soft, or the bacon is nice and crispy. This adds a fantastic layer of flavor. Once your skillet is ready, add the drained, boiled pierogies directly into the butter and onion mixture. Spread them out in a single layer if possible to ensure even cooking. Cook them over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, flipping them occasionally. You want them to develop a beautiful golden brown color and a slightly crispy exterior. This step truly brings out their delicious flavor and texture. And there you have it. Your perfectly cooked stovetop pierogies are ready to enjoy. Serve them hot with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include a dollop of sour cream, a side of applesauce, or even a sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley for a burst of color and flavor. This easy method delivers a comforting and delicious meal every time. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.